Oh my gosh, fashion is a feeling, an experience, color. It makes you feel good. Whether it's a pair of torn up jeans or whether it's a $5,000 gown, I think it's all in what you make it and how it makes you feel. I contribute right now in many ways. I'm with Concordia Lutheran High School in Fort Wayne. I'm not a teacher, but I am part of the school through African American scholarship opportunities, through work with our textile department and Berny, Martin, and Rhonda Freeman, just volunteering my time. The biggest thing that I just completed with a committee was the U.S. Capitol Christmas tree event. That Christmas tree for the last 60 years has traveled from whatever state to the nation's capital. It will be lit on December 3rd on the west lawn of the nation's capital. It was a huge undertaking. And yes, it's just a tree. It's just a 90-foot evergreen, but it means solidarity. It's the people's tree. And it was an event that we brought to Fort Wayne, and 2,000 people showed up, and it was just an event of a lifetime. So I just like to go where I'm asked. I like to help where I can, and glad to do it.